Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to transfer a video to GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. If you do not already have it, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the main page of the application where we can get started with selecting the instrument we want to play, or we can plug in our bass and so on, or just get started with recording ourselves. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to import a video into GarageBand to edit the audio from there. So the first thing we want to do guys is go ahead and open up the audio recorder right here. So let's go ahead and open up audio recorder, and after doing so, it's going to open up this new menu where we can get started with recording. So guys, the option that you want to use for recording is the big red circle at the top of the screen, which once you click on it, it's going to start recording and you can get started with adding your effects, your layers, your music, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to import a video. So basically guys, if you want to go ahead and edit the audio from video, what you want to do is go into edit mode by clicking the button right here in the upper left corner. That's going to transfer us to edit mode, and now we can get started with importing our file. And basically guys, you are going to import your file by clicking this button in the upper right corner. Click the button that's going to enable us to go ahead and add a file. So as you can see guys, here it now says we can browse items from the files app, and this is how you can get started with adding your video. But basically guys, you cannot add a video. What you want to do is first extract the audio from the video, so you can do so in a website on Google or something where you can just go ahead and provide your video that's going to extract the audio from it, and then you'll get your mp3 right here that you can go ahead and select. And after selecting the file, it's going to appear right here and you can add it to GarageBand to start editing. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.